Last time we captured the thunder of a rock legend Freddie Mercury. But now, we switch gears. From queen to king. Not royalty, but a king of pop. So let's get into the groove and see you on the other side of this intro. Let's dance. I started by creating a basic wire skeleton. I'm going for one of the iconic poses from Billie Jean. Last time I had hard time attaching figure to the base and attaching legs etc. So unlike last time, this time I am making the entire figure as one piece, along with the base and legs. Only head I will attach separately. Next, I wrap the aluminum foil around the wire to bulk up the figure and give it some shape. I am using air dry clay, which was left from the last project. This clay is not that good, but I need to finish this. I am applying first coat here, so I am not worried about the detailing much. It only needs to get a posture right. I made head and later added fedora hat on top. Next day, after the first layer dried, I started working on detailing and shape. Time to fix the head. I position head slightly facing downward for a reason. Time for MJ's iconic jacket. To create the flowing wavy effect at the back, I attached some aluminum foil and then applied clay over it.
After finishing
animation sculpting, I removed the aluminum foil from here. Now let's paint it. For painting, I am using acrylic colors. For fedora, jacket and pants, I am going with different shades of black. And yes, I have reached the nightmare stage again. Painting the face details. It never gets easier. Added the signature armband on the right hand. For the glow, I am using this silver color. To give the jacket sparkling effect, I dotted it with touches of silver, trying to capture that stage light shimmer. Final touch. Strip on the pants. And our Michael is ready. Let me check real quick if it passes the test. Damn, he moonwalks so smoothly like a smooth criminal. The best part about this Michael Jackson is, he is using fedora hat perfectly to hide my failures. If this brought a smile to your face or giggle to your soul, hit that like button. Subscribe for more creative chaos, sculpting and random pop star tributes. Until next time, breathe art, live loud and keep creating. Peace. You've been hit by Oh, अरे काय ना पडलो.